现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。现在冬天到了，通常在这个什么冬至的时候啊，一定要吃汤圆，
对，要吃热乎乎的。
我坦白讲，爱吃的我管它是冬至还是夏至，
每天都要吃吗
？All right, when it's winter solstice here in Taiwan, a lot of people like to eat the sweet rice balls, okay, or known as 汤圆 and you got to prepare for that. Let's put you in that scenario. 这整个月呢，我们在教大家准备这个单字。
准批
Okay, that's to prepare. 然后今天要准备的是什么呢？就是汤圆啦。All right, 你在准备什么啊？ What are you preparing there?
第個準批馬雞啊，
準批馬雞啊，
第個準批馬雞啊，
馬雞啊就是什麼東西的意思嘛 ，right? 馬雞 that means what is it that you're 準批 again preparing? Well, today is winter solstice, so I'm cooking up some sweet rice balls. 也不一定是 sweet 其實湯圓有時候也會吃鹹的，對不對？
對啊，
對，
還會吃那種
帶餡的啦，或者酒釀的啦。
對
There's actually a lot of varieties of rice balls. The most common one is sweet, but there are savory ones as well. Anyways, it's the 湯圓 rice balls. Today is winter solstice. I'm cooking up some rice balls. 今天是冬至，我要煮湯圓。
根本日係冬節，我愛準批食鹽呢，或者可以說我愛準批拌鹽。
拌鹽 So those are two different ways of describing the rice balls. 時間過得真快，又多一歲了。Time has flown by so quickly. I have grown another year older, right?
時間過到寒假哦。又加一歲了。
OK, 一歲就是一歲嘛。我的話是兩歲
哦，不是啦，你是365歲。
我每天都吃着。我想說我是夏至吃，冬至也吃，不要這樣子了。我真的太愛吃了。All right, so let's review some of these phrases right here, such as 冬至 winter solstice,
冬節
okay, and then the rice ball 湯圓
食鹽呢，或者是拌鹽
or 拌鹽 and finally 多一歲 1 year older,
加一歲
all right, 不要365歲哦，千萬不要哦，夠老了。
好
And it's all about the phrase to prepare 準備and now you know that that's today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
自己張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.